What's up, guys? Welcome back to Pickett Build. In the last episode, we finished off the coilovers. Now, in order to get this thing drivable, we need to finish the front brakes, get this thing a proper alignment, and we've got to solve a few wiring gremlins, and then we are good to go. So let's get to work. Alright guys, so here's the old brakes versus the new. This is a 4-piston caliper versus just a 2-piston caliper. And then, of course, the new brake pad versus the old brake pad. And you can see the difference in size there. Not crazy drastic, but enough to make a difference in stopping power. Now, looking at these old calipers here, there actually was plenty of brake pad left. Looks like they had redone the brakes previously. So maybe I could have just left that alone, but since I'm already got everything torn apart, let's go ahead and... This wasn't a crazy expensive upgrade, so I think it's worth doing. And then it's all brand new parts. For those that are wondering what kind of brake caliper this is it's an 84, 85 Toyota 4Runner caliper or 79 through 85 Toyota pickup front brake calipers. And they had 4-piston, and they are direct bolt-on to the 280Z. So as far as I know, we shouldn't have any problems fitting these up. So what we're doing here is I took the old brake line off, and we're gonna unattach that rubber brake line there at this connection right here. I've already broke it loose, so let's go ahead and pull that off. Alright, we're going to clean this piece up, and then we're going to replace that rubber hose with one of these braided steel lines here. Alright, the new calipers are on. One thing to note is there's only one of these little spring retainers here. Seems like there would be two, but I'm only seeing one. Pretty sure that's how that goes on. Leave a comment if anybody's had experience with that, but everything looks good to go. New brake lines are on. All we need to do is get the brake line on the rear, get some brake fluid, and bleed the system, and we should be good to go. Something to note on these XXR wheels, the 527s. I have noticed this with the new lug nuts that I got. These open-ended lug nuts, the little socket that comes with it does not fit on these XXR wheels. So I actually had to grind down this socket and make it thinner. Alright, I used this power drill and I used the grinder and I just ground it down thinner, and I just repainted the socket to be able to sleeve it in there so they'll fit. So something to note, if you have XXR 527 wheels, that's what you're going to have to do if you want to run these little open lug nuts. I've decided to go ahead and give up on these rear brake lines. I can't break them loose. I don't want to strip them or damage anything when actually they're working fine, other than me just wanting to upgrade. I'm just going to leave them alone for now. Got the front done. I'm going to put these wheels and tires back on so we can get this thing back on the ground. Get this brake system with some fluid and bleeded so we can test it out. That's it. Appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully next episode we can get this brake system going and we can actually test these brakes out and see if the upgrade paid off. Okay, you found your beanie?
Yeah.
Is that a panda?
No, it's a kitty.
Oh, are you a unicorn?
No.
Come look in the camera.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on. Look, are you a unicorn?
Or not?
Panda!
Daddy, that's a kitty.
Oh, it's a kitty.
It's not a skunk.
Alright, let's stop this.
Yep.
We're just gonna go with that.
Mommy Tony.
Oh, God.
Mommy Tony.